Google Cloud Storage is an object storage service that allows you to store and access the data. With the key benefits of scalable storage, you can store petabytes of data with ease of access. And you can access the data from anywhere in the globe based on the access frequency. You can choose the right storage classes, and it has the data security encryption with the fine-grained IAM rules and responsibilities, who can access what. The bucket is the top level container for storing the objects, and the objects are the individual items that are stored inside the buckets. For example, the folder is your bucket, the files inside that are the objects. Let's get into the demo of creating the storage buckets and upload a file, and also understand the uh, protection and retention policies that we have within the Google Storage Bucket. So in the Google Cloud Hamburg menu, I'll click on the cloud storage, and here I'll be having an option to create the bucket. So this bucket name should be globally unique, and it'll be a permanent name. So I'm going to give my bucket name as my underscore bkt. Let me choose multi-region, US, multiple regions in United States, and there is a cost associated to it. So yeah, it's important to look at the cost perspective as well. So let me choose whatever is cheaper option available for me right now. So I'll continue, and then you, in the beginning we spoke about the storage classes for the data. So based on the frequency of the data that you're going to access, you can choose standard for the frequently accessed ones, nearline and cold line for the backup and disaster recovery, and for the archive is for longer archival data. You can choose any of these options wisely according to your requirement. So let me choose standard for this now. It'll continue, and you'll be able to choose how to control the access to the objects. Like, let me allow for the enforce the public access prevention on this bucket, and I'll give a uniform access for now. And at the same time, like I told you, you will be able to give fine-grained access, like access control list, and also with the IAM, identity access management. In the data protection, we have first thing first is soft delete. In this policy, file can be deleted accordingly, and you cannot recover the file back. Whereas in the object versioning, it is ideal for the data where you may need to recover from accidental deletion or need a historical record of changes. For example, critical documents or configuration files, you can choose this option. And next, what you can say is the retention for compliance purpose. So the retention policies, we need to define a minimum retention period for data in the bucket to meet compliance requirement, ensuring the data that cannot be deleted before the specific time. It is useful for the scenarios where it is essential for regulatory compliance, archival requirements, or legal holds, where the data must be retained for set of period. And also you have the options for encryptions. So let me give it the Google managed encryption key now, and I'm going to create the bucket. So enforce the public access prevention on this bucket. Yes, confirm. Bucket is created and my BKT1. So here we can create a folder, you can upload the file, you can transfer the data and other services like export data to PubSub, process data using the Cloud Run functions. We will see in the advanced topics when we discuss in the near future. I will upload files from my Windows Explorer. I just click on upload files. Actually, the Windows Explorer is open now, but since the recording is going, the other window will not pop up. But I'm choosing the file called my XML, or I'm going to choose multiple varieties of files like one PDF, one MP4, one XML, one TXT. So I'm going to open. Okay, the upload is started. Yeah, so I have 4 files uploaded successfully. Thanks for watching this video.